Hey everybody, I'm working on our next video, but I wanted to show you this short video. It's about a 3-minute video, 2.5, 3 minutes, of what this buddy did. He's still got a lot of puppy in him. He's just a chew baby. What he did to my door, what this thing did when I shut him up for the first time. Incidentally, I don't lock the door when he's in here, and I only had him a couple of days, and he just ripped my door up. I got to get that baby some chew toys. I really do. Anybody got any idea what I can use for chew toys? That little booger, he wanted out of this RV. He's not accustomed to it. He wanted out of this RV. Here, let me show you this little video I put together. My next video, I'm still working on it. Thanks. I just wanted to put this up real quick and show you what this booger did. RV, buddy. You know, when Jason offered little buddy to me probably a week ago, I knew he was a 1-year-old and he still had puppy in him. And you know what a 1-year-old puppy will do. They love to chew. I have got to get him some chew toys. Well, he's chewed all right. He has done some chewing, this baby has. And anybody that knows anything about little puppies knows that they love to chew on things. And so far, little buddy has gotten a hold of 3 of my sunshades. This been the last one. It's cheap Walmart, $5 stuff, no big deal. I just throw it away. I got a new one today, $5. But he chewed a couple of really good pairs that had, that was 2.0 bifocal, and that's okay. They were getting scratched anyway. What I've had to do is puppy proof this motorhome from this little baby. Let me show you something else this little guy did. The first time I locked him in here, well, he was by himself is what I mean. You see, he tore the screen out right here. You see that? And down here too. He was trying to get out. He had never been here before alone. I'd only had him a couple of days. I put a piece of plexiglass here, and I'm gonna go outside and dress this up. This is temporary until he grows out of it. And so what I'm gonna do is take this right here, take this door right here where he tore the screen out, and I'm going to replace it with this. And actually, I'm just simply going to tape it on there with some mounting tape. And if he does it again, no big deal. I'll replace it. This is cheap stuff anyway. That's what I'm going to do with this little baby. He'll grow out of it. But what I have to do is I have to put my wallet. I got everything up here on the counter. And I have to puppy proof. And so my new glasses and my remotes and my wallet I have up here. I certainly don't want him to get a hold of any of this right here. But he's just a little baby. He loves being under the table. And I put all my filming equipment up here so he doesn't jump up there. But he will get up there if this wasn't here. He's my little baby. And I love him. And we're going to share our lives together. He's just a little puppy. He's only 1 year old. It's okay, baby. You didn't do anything wrong, baby. It's okay. I'll get you some chew toys. I promise.